CEEpeer is an online peer evaluation tool for students to evaluate and reflect on their own work and the work of their peers in a collaborative group assignment. To use the CEEpeer tool, please email chelp@sfu.ca and request to add CEEpeer to your Canvas course. Once the CEEpeer tool has been added to your course, you can add it to an assignment. Before you begin, you will need to set up your student groups first. Please refer to How to Create Student Groups if needed. Then you need to create a new assignment with the CEEpeer tool. Click Assignments on the side navigation and click the Plus Assignment button to create the assignment. Please refer to our guides on how to create an assignment. You will need to fill the assignment details in, including the number of points you would like the poll to be graded out of. Next, to add the CEEpeer tool, choose External Tool from the Submission Type pull-down menu. Then, click the Find button and select CEEpeer from the Configure External Tool pop-up window. Make sure you save the assignment as a draft, and then the CEEpeer tool will load in the window. The next step is to set up the evaluation rubric and options for the CEEpeer tool assignment. Write a title and a description of the criterion in the box, and then edit the rating scale if required. You can click plus Add Criteria to add additional rows as required. Next, we will set up the options. Choose the student group set that you have set up from the pull-down menu. You can select whether you want to require a submission, make evaluations anonymous, and/or enable self-evaluation. You can also set if you want to hide, show aggregate, or detailed results for the students. As a final step, review the evaluation rubric and options before you click Save when you are done. If you need to make changes later, you can click Settings in the top left corner. When you are ready to publish the assignment, click the Edit Assignment Settings button and save and publish the assignment. This concludes the tutorial.